Hello and welcome to video number 7. This is part of a 30 video series, how to build your online marketing business machine, and this is really directed towards PTs, offline gym owners and coaches, whether you're offline or online as a coach. Now I've been where you've been before, where you are now I should say, and I've had 4 indoor cyclist journeys in my time, and I've struggled to nail this process that people strive to implement into their business, and I'm all about paying back now. I'm using a live client example throughout this 30 video series. His name's John, and he, like myself back in my day, was using very traditional old school marketing methods like flyering, word of mouth. So if you're just completely burnt out by all that, or you want to now build a robust, predictable type system that gives you a sustainable flow of leads and clients into your business, then this video is for you. And there is a myth around that you need a website, or the website does most of the heavy lifting for you to generate high quality leads and clients into your business. And basically I'm going to help you in this video understand why you need a funnel more so than a website in your business in order to generate and qualify quality leads into your business. So if this sounds of interest, then perfect. Stick around after this intro and more to follow. Okay, welcome back. So if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. This is my Lillian marketing and coaching channel. If you want to enter into a weekly contest that I run usually Friday, I offer 3 new subscribers a chance to win my business bundle, which includes a lead fix generation service along with a business survival kit, 2 free trainings, and also a done for you funnel. So yeah, if you want to enter, just subscribe, leave your comment below and like this video. Awesome stuff. And also I do have a campaign offer, a 2-week free trial. I'm going to talk to you about that more after this main content of this video, but yeah, stick around to the end, more to follow. But yeah, you are a driven business owner, you are really frustrated, and I just want these videos and my channel in general to help you learn how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business empire. There is a little bit of tech when it comes to funnels. You may not even have heard of a funnel before, but I'm here to let you know that any one of us can build a machine that can bring in those quality leads and clients into their business. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, my cat wanted to go out. Yeah, because that's what most businesses need now in order to, survive. Climates, I mean, we are recording now September 2020. It's been quite a tough time for our industry due to the pandemic, and something in place like a machine, a marketing online machine, can give you that peace of mind, can give you sanity back, and give you that confidence that you can weather any storm that might brew ahead in the future. So anyway, you might have a website already, which is fantastic. It's not a bad thing having a website, but if you're just starting out and you're fixated on a website, I would like to invite you to reconsider. Now, a website has many positive points. It gives you brand awareness, it positions you or your gym as a great place to go, or as an expert if you're an online or offline coach. And people do expect a website. I'm not going to knock having a website in place in your business. I mean, I used to say at one point, I've bought more websites than shoes in my time since 2012 in my business journey. And at the end of the day, people, as mentioned, they do expect a website. You can place all your content on the website as well, so people can, browse at their own, leisurely, browsing their leisure. So it's worth it. It is. I'm not saying don't do it, but if you're focused on it so much so that you're not actually building a funnel alongside it, or build a funnel first, that's what I would suggest for you to do. Build a funnel first. And a funnel is a series of pages. I went through in video number 5, or was it, sorry, video number 6, the the sequence, that the page sequence from the Facebook ad to the landing page, straight bridge page, whatever you want to call it, they both mean the same thing, onward to the application form, and then the aftercare page. So that's what I can build for you. That's what you can build yourself in your business following these 30 videos. This is like a step-by-step process. And there are obviously many reasons why a funnel should be at the forefront more so than a website. So at the end of the day, each page of your funnel will have a purpose. It's there to be optimized to its maximum to generate not just leads into your business, but it's really all about qualifying quality leads. And it should feel very streamlined. So imagine the prospect is going through your sequence. It should feel very congruent. Each page should follow the same sort of language throughout, so it doesn't feel disjointed. It will gain confidence from the prospect's point of view that they're investing their time, energy, money into a service that you're offering. It's going to be a good decision made on their part. So it needs to be a very streamlined type set of pages. Click congruency, as already mentioned as well. You can't have, for example, them be on Facebook reading your advert and then onward onto a bright, crazy coloured luminous type landing page, because it's going to shock the eye and subconsciously shock that prospect as well, and you might just lose them. So make sure it's all in sync, each page with its colour. Not so much branding actually, because you need to optimize your funnel to optimize it for a lead, more so than just to fuss around with your brand in the early stages. If you want to just try and get a few extra grand on top of your revenue each month, then it's always key to optimize your funnel to obtain the lead and not so much worry too much about your brands. So I really essentially is for you to choose conversion over branding every time. And yeah, if you were to look at a scale, and we'll talk in percentages here, 10% being the low end of the scale, where you're getting loads of leads but they're not qualified or quality leads, and you're just getting leads en masse. And the other end of the scale is 100%, and for example they're super targeted and qualified, but your pool of leads are not as big because you haven't got as many. You want to be sitting in that sort of mid to 75% range. You want to find a nice balance. You want to be able to have enough leads coming in for you to convert in order to hit your target. And I have spoken about your daily KPIs, daily targets, in a previous video included in this series. I would always suggest, if you're watching this, maybe as an aim of £5,000 or euros, dollars, whatever country you're in. But it's good to know your targets. But yeah, you want to have enough leads, so you've got enough leads to play around with, so you can try and close them. But obviously the more of a quality lead it is that you have on the phone, because they've gone through all your funnel pages, they've gone through the process, it's going to be a lot easier for you to convert and close them on the phone. And that's our main aim. You want basically your funnel to do 75% of the heavy lifting of all the marketing essentially, and then the last 25% is the human touch, building the confidence that you have with that particular prospect, and then it will be an easier position for you to close them as well. So that is really the main aim of the funnel. So you can see now that if you were to just rely on a website, people, let's just say you've got an advert on Facebook and they go then directly to your website. A website is fantastic, as the reasons mentioned before, but they could also be dropped into a rabbit hole or three, the potential visitor to your website, because you've got so many menus and you've got probably pictures on there and, more than just one service that you want to talk about. And a client, a potential prospect, could get lost and a bit overwhelmed by, wondering what to do on your website. So that's why a funnel is super focused. It's all very congruent. All the pages flow together with the aim of optimizing each and every page in order to qualify your prospects through the process, and at the end of it, have them work with you so you can close that sale and keep them on your books for at least between 6 to 9 months, as we have already spoken about your long-term value value of your clients, because remember, this funnel is really known as a break-even back-end model. The money's in the back end, and that's where you will find your sustainable and consistent flow of revenue. So I hope this made sense. I hope I've answered why not a website question, because I do get that a lot, and it's an obvious question as well. A lot of people ask it for good reasons as well. I'm not saying get rid of your website, keep it going, but yeah, concentrate on your funnel. That's what I would strongly recommend. Okay, brilliant. So if you want me to do this campaign for you for free, that's what I allow and offer people. I just ask you to front up the £200 Facebook spend in the 2 weeks. I will try and get you results. Obviously, my aim is to get results, because it's only when I get results we can then have a further conversation to work together. I wouldn't want to work with you, and I wouldn't want to ask for your money if I can't get you results. So that's what the 2 week free week trial is all about. If you want to book me up to talk about this further, go down into the description box. You've got the links part. Click on that link and it will take you to all my courses I have online. I've got free trainings on there, and if you want to book a funnel blueprint consultation call with me, that you can, and we can work together in that 2 week free trial. But yeah. If you like this video, awesome, press like, subscribe, and also hit that bell notification button as well if you want to get the next video in this video series. I do also playlists around business, marketing, meditations and mindset, and I don't necessarily concentrate so much on YouTube, but more so in Facebook. I do offer a quality client generation Facebook group, and that's where I can answer your questions in there. So feel free to hit that link below in the description box as well. So yeah, we're all here to make a dent in this world. Let's do this. Your business is an extension of you, and let this be the best part of your life. All right then guys, I will see you in the next video.